Being part of a global economy requires maintaining a great international reputation for top quality. AFC-Holcroft's rank as a world leader in manufacturing heat treat furnaces is due to our superior products that we build for a number of industries and our commitment to our customers. The customer is our #1 priority, which is why our designs are adaptable to customer requirements. In 2011, Applied Process opened the doors to their new facility for a brand new product, the Monster Parts Furnace, recently trademarked by Applied Process. Not only is this a new facility, but also an entirely new direction for Applied Process that came about after using equipment AFC-Holcroft designed and provided. AFC-Holcroft is one of the world's largest manufacturers of heat treating furnaces. The legacy companies that comprise AFC-Holcroft have a combined 225+ years of thermal processing experience. The company manufactures turnkey heat treating systems for applications including commercial heat treating, bearings, automotive, aerospace, aluminum heat treatment, gear manufacturing, fastener manufacturing, and alternative energy industries. Our mission: we build great equipment, customizable to our customers' production, facility layout, and processes. Our company has tens of thousands of installations worldwide. We have an excellent reputation and work hard to maintain that trust. AFC-Holcroft works diligently to provide leading-edge technology to the thermal processing industry. We work closely with the industries we serve to anticipate new requirements and to respond quickly to those expectations.
This facility here in Wixom represents the engineering headquarters. However, it's only one of basically 5 manufacturing facilities we have throughout North America. We remain very flexible in manufacturing. We manufacture in Mexico as well through a partnership. And manufacturing in Mexico for the AFC group has existed since the early 80s. So we've become very entrenched through Mexico and throughout the rest of the world. We can manufacture in Russia, China, India, South America, Australia, and throughout Europe. So we have a global footprint, constantly dynamically changing, and we continue to push technology and our presence in different marketplaces. The project that we're seeing throughout this process is just one of many that we continue to work on that allows AFC-Holcroft to continue pressing the technology forward as a technology leader in the marketplace. We adjust our technology for different regions. The needs in Europe versus China versus India all vary. So our technology fundamentals remain the same, but we will localize them for the different regions as needed to meet the specific needs of our customer.
One of AFC-Holcroft's customers, Applied Process, had a market they wanted to reach but couldn't because they were limited by existing load dimensions. In 2010, the two companies sat down together to brainstorm ideas about creating a new furnace system that could revolutionize this segment of the heat treat industry. The idea of the Monster Parts Furnace was born. Prior to the development of this furnace, weldments, forgings, castings, or assemblies of very large components that could benefit from the ADI process were not possible. Furnaces with the capability required just did not exist.
It's kind of amazing standing here today to see all of this finally coming together after about a year's worth of planning. In early 2010, I was not yet with Applied Process, but John Wagner contacted me because I've had a long working relationship with the AP group of companies. And he goes, what would you think if we were to make a furnace that was 84 by 96 by 54 inches and capable of processing 20,000 pounds in one batch? And after a moment or two of sheer craziness, we began to discuss the capabilities, the window, what the alloy would look like inside the furnace and what we needed to do to make sure that this project was successful.
This is a very exciting project for our company and our end user. The equipment has been custom designed based on all the fundamentals of existing equipment that we've had in the field for tens of years. The UBQA, which is what we call this equipment, is an acronym for Universal Batch Quench Austempering Furnace. This furnace is a sealed quench batch furnace, but in this case we're able to run up to a 20,000 pound load with a tray size and a working envelope of 96 by 84 inches. That represents a unit that's almost twice the size of the next largest we've built historically.
AFC-Holcroft equipment has long been admired for its robust construction and long service life quality. The interior of the furnace is lined with high-quality insulating block and fiber insulation, rated for temperatures as high as 2,300 degrees Fahrenheit. Our product designs are continually evolving as we strive to improve operational efficiencies, reduce energy costs and environmental impact, and improve serviceability without compromise to our commitment to quality. A typical heat treating process consists of heating and rapidly cooling parts to achieve specific mechanical properties. A transfer car delivers the parts to the furnace. The load of parts enters a heating chamber and heats up to a specified temperature and is held at temperature for a pre-established amount of time. Once the recipe is completed, a transfer mechanism moves the hot load into the intermediate or purge chamber. Then the hot load transfers onto a specially designed double-deck quench elevator and is lowered into the salt quench tank. The parts then undergo a proprietary process of rapid cooling in an agitated salt solution. In this case, the particular process is called Austempering, which imparts certain desirable mechanical properties, such as increased strength and toughness into the parts. Once the quenching process has been completed, the parts are sent to a washing station to remove the quench salt.
Our group here is a very team-oriented organization. The team in engineering works close with the team in manufacturing, and the product that we're shipping today represents the end product of very strong coordination between both our manufacturing crew and our engineering crew. I don't think that we could be the company we are today without the kind of teamwork that we have. Being a privately owned company, it allows us to retain a bit of the family feel while employing a number of engineers that are top in their trade.
AFC-Holcroft is dedicated to improved energy efficiency with a greener, highly automated, flexible global platform to effectuate the transfer of equipment from one plant or country to another. Companies move facilities to other locations, literally picking up and moving with increased frequency. AFC-Holcroft has a dedicated team for such rebuilds, rework, and moves. AFC-Holcroft looks forward to continuing this successful developmental and deployment partnership through a robust support capacity. It is our commitment to understanding the unique needs of our customers, combined with the ability to deliver on very specific project requirements.